Today on an all-new episode of The Doctors.
The latest must-know medical advances that can change or even save your life.
The breakthrough procedure that came as a surprise to doctors.
They came in and said, hey, guess what? I'm thinner, I lost the fat.
And they don't sweat anymore.
And can you tell me why?
Coming up right now on The Doctors, where MD meets TV.
Put your glasses
I
on,
thought we were just going GQ today.
First, we're going to inject some fluid containing local anesthetic, which we're doing on this pigskin. This pigskin is how we train doctors who are new to laser liposuction. We'd make a small incision in the skin.
Our next question is a home video from Kim in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Hi, doctors. I'm a busy mom and I've been dealing with excessive sweating for the past year. It's really frustrating. The sweat spots are embarrassing and it's really unattractive. I even tried Botox, but that can add up. Is there any new technology to stop this sweating? I do not want to ruin any more shirts.
We have Dr. Warren Hankins here with us. He has a solution for Kim, who's also on the phone right now. Welcome, Kim.
Hey, doctors.
So I'm assuming you're curious if there might be a solution.
Yes, is there anything you can do about this sweating?
Well, I believe that we may have some solutions, right, Dr. Hankins?
Yeah, we found...
Welcome back.
Thanks.
Lucy, nice to have you back.
Thanks for having me. We found this is a laser, laser called Accusculpt that we use for laser liposuction. And just coincidentally, we found that some of the patients that we were doing the axilla, we were reducing sweating.
So they came in and said, hey, guess what? I'm thinner, I lost the fat.
And they don't sweat anymore.
And can you tell me why? And so you figured it out?
What we think is, one of the ways this laser works on fat, it targets fat very well. It's a 1444 YAG laser. It targets it with heat. And so we think what's happening is by staying just beneath the second layer of the skin, the dermis, we're heating up that sweat gland. And as you heat it up, you destroy it. And we're seeing most of the patients we treat 75% reduction in amount of armpit sweating.
Hyperhidrosis is simply the clinical term for excessive sweating.
How has your experience been with Botox? Mine has been so-so.
So-so, but it's also going to get expensive for the patients.
Very expensive, painful.
Because you have to repeat every 4 months, whereas this theoretically lasts?
Yeah, we're hoping that it's going to be permanent, relatively new, just over the last year that we've been doing it, but so far, great success.
Could you show us how it works?
Sure. Let's put on these...
Put your glasses on,
I thought we were just going GQ today.
First, if the patient was coming in, we wouldn't use quite this big of a needle, but we'd be injecting some fluid containing local anesthetic into the armpit area, which we're doing on this pigskin. This pigskin is how we train doctors who are new to laser liposuction.
So this would theoretically hurt if you weren't
numbed up, you could certainly
you can put
feel
some
the laser.
topical on first, let it sit.
And then even the needle wouldn't hurt.
Right.
So then we're going to grab the laser here.
And again, this is the same laser you use for laser liposuction.
This laser is very effective for laser liposuction, targets fat very well. Relatively new, it's called the Accusculpt.
And Kim, you're following all of this, right?
The aiming point.
Right.
Listening very closely.
So what we're going to do is we'd make a small incision in the skin.
And what's the cost of something like this versus Botox?
It's a little bit higher, but it's a one treatment, around between $1,500 and $3,000, depending on.
But you can give Travis a deal, right?
Yeah, Travis.
I know
can
he
get
wanted
a deal.
me to ask.
He looks like he's doing all right.
So Kim, there is hope, and if we turn the laser off, we can actually take these goggles off. But Kim, I believe that Dr. Hankins may have a surprise for you.
Okay.
Yeah, Kim, I'd like to invite you to our clinic in Las Vegas, and we'll do this treatment for you for free.
Oh, great.
Awesome.
That's awesome.
We want to hear how it goes.
Okay, I'll let you know.
Thank you, Dr. Hankins, for being here. I appreciate it.